going on, YouTube? I'm out here at the Volkswagen. Was getting a lightning bolt looking thing or whatever popping up onto the dash. Oh, come to find out that was more or less letting us know about there was an issue with some glow plugs. Well, instead of going through and ohming to see which one was going out, or doing the resistance up onto each one to see what was going out, the vehicle has 202,000 miles on it, I do believe. I was just like, go ahead and just replace all 4 of them instead of trying to figure out just the one. Just went ahead and do all 4. But down in here are where the glow plugs sit down in at, and then you have these 4 that attach to the top of the glow plugs. Well, what I ended up doing, just to kind of give me a little bit more room, so you got the wiring harness that's right here that sits inside of this plastic railing or whatever you want to call it. So I went ahead and disclip them and kind of pull the harness up a little bit, where it gave me a little bit more room just to be able to pull the glow plug wiring plugs out, instead of, taking all kinds of things to move out of my way. Just messed with the wiring harness and gave myself a little bit more room. But there's the old ones. Look pretty nasty. And then all the new ones, I ain't even took them out of the bags yet. But 12 millimeter deep well fits right up on to the top here. Unscrew it. Needle nose, just so that way you can reach down in there and grab it and pull it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and get one down in there and tighten back up, and I'll let you see what I was talking about, how far down it is. Oh, let's see if it will. Nope, it won't. Come on. Focus. It's not gonna focus. But yeah, that down there, I mean, they sit pretty far down in, and I can't get my fingers down in there. So having the needle nose comes in handy to be able to grab it, get it, pull it up. Alright, go ahead and get the other 3 in. Alright, so I got them down in there. This is what I was talking about. So I pulled the wire loom up a little bit, so that way I can get this big old thing to be able to bend and get down in there. But I mean, don't really have a lot of room on some of these. Especially down here on number 4. Really had to pick up on the wire loom. Number 3, that that one wasn't bad at all. But really, I just need to get them on top of the glow plug and then push them down and listen for the snap. But before I do all that, I'm gonna go ahead and get this loom back into this plastic. There we go. Got it all back in there. Alright, and then, no, it's not going to zoom in there, but get that down, and then hopefully you heard that. It made a little pop noise that it was in there. So what you got, that's the top of it. So you got to get the center of that plug dialed straight up and mating with the glow plug itself. And then number 3, that one's going to be a little tricky. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. I'm gonna grab the needle noses and use them to get that down in there. Okay, yep, that helped out a lot more. That one shorter than the rest of them. But go ahead and little pull, little pull, little pull, little pull. They're all attached, and didn't disconnect any of the other part of the wire harness going to the injectors. All taken care of. I hope this helps anybody out there that's trying to get these glow plugs changed out in their Volkswagen TDI. But y'all have a good one.